Do the best you can.
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Rules, 1st to 2nd Samuel, 1st to 2nd Kings, 1st to 2nd Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Songs, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Songs, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Joel, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, Acts, Romans, 1st to 2nd Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1st to 2nd Thessalonians, 1st to 2nd Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, James, 1st to 2nd Peter, 1st to 2nd, 3rd John, Jude, Revelation.
Yeah, that was fantastic.
Yay.
Give a good bow. Very nice.
Calvin, your turn.
Calvin's turn.
Hi, Calvin.
Stop it. Go up and bow one more time, both of you. Bow together.
Now bow together. Go like Ricky. Oh, you bow once.
You're done.
That's how you roll.